Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jenna.
Hello, friends. I'm Steve, and I'm so happy to be here again.
And I'm Jenna. If you're new here, welcome to our English learning family.
Here we learn English in a fun, easy, and friendly way.
Yes, we help you speak English in real life with simple words and clear examples.
Before we start today's lesson, don't forget to hit the like button.
Yes, like this episode, subscribe to our channel, and comment below.
Tell us, do you enjoy phone calls in English, or do they make you nervous?
We want to hear from you.
Okay, ready to start?
Let's go. Today's topic is easy English for phone conversations.
Oh, that's a good one. Phone calls in English can be scary.
I know. Many people say, it's hard because I can't see the person's face.
Right. Sometimes I forget words, or I panic when I don't understand.
That's normal. Today, we'll learn simple phrases you can use to sound confident on the phone.
Great. I really need this lesson.
Okay, let's start with the beginning of a phone call.
Like when we say hello.
Exactly. The most common way is simple. Hello, this is...
Oh, like, hello, this is Steve.
Perfect. You can also say, hi, it's Jenna.
So, hi, it's Steve works too.
Yes. Let's try it together, listeners. Repeat after us. Hello, this is Jenna.
Hi, this is Steve.
Good job.
What about answering the phone?
When you answer, you can say, hello, Jenna speaking.
Or, hello, Steve speaking.
Exactly. Or if you're in an office, you can add more. Good morning, English with Jenna. Jenna speaking. How can I help you?
Oh, that sounds polite.
Yes. Practice, listeners. Say, good morning. Your name speaking.
Okay, Jenna, what if I don't know who is calling?
Good question. You can say, who's calling, please?
Who's calling, please?
Yes, that's polite and simple.
Can I say, who are you?
Not really. That sounds too direct.
Oh, okay. So, who's calling, please, is better.
Exactly. You can also say, may I ask who's speaking?
That's nice, too. It sounds polite.
Yes. Let's practice. May I ask who's speaking?
May I ask who's speaking?
Great job. Now let's learn how to ask for someone on the phone.
Like, can I talk to Jenna?
Yes, but to sound more polite, say, may I speak to Jenna, please?
May I speak to Jenna, please?
Perfect.
What if that person isn't there?
Then you can say, may I leave a message?
May I leave a message?
Yes, simple and polite. Let's try a mini conversation.
Okay.
Ring ring. Hello, English with Jenna. Jenna speaking.
Hello, may I speak to Jenna, please?
This is Jenna. Who's calling, please?
Hi, it's Steve.
Oh, hi, Steve. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
See, easy and natural. All right, listeners, your turn. Imagine you're calling a friend. Say, hello, may I speak to your friend's name, please?
Go ahead. Say it out loud. Great.
Steve, what if the person I'm calling isn't there?
Then you can say, oh, I see. Can you tell them I called?
That's useful. You can also say, can you ask them to call me back?
Can you ask them to call me back?
Perfect. Let's practice. I'll call again later.
I'll call again later.
Please tell them Steve called.
Please tell them Steve called.
Excellent. Sometimes you need to leave a message.
Like when someone isn't available.
Yes. You can say, can I leave a message?
And then say my message, right?
Yes. Example, can I leave a message? Please tell Jenna that Steve will call tomorrow.
Okay, that's easy.
Let's try a small role play again.
Sure.
Hello, English with Jenna. Jenna speaking.
Hello, may I speak to Jenna, please?
I'm sorry, she's not available right now.
Oh, I see. Can I leave a message?
Of course.
Please tell Jenna that Steve will call tomorrow.
Got it. I'll tell her.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Listeners, your turn.
Imagine the person is not available.
Say, can I leave a message? Good.
Now say, please tell name that I will call tomorrow.
Nice work.
Sometimes I don't understand what people say on the phone.
That happens a lot.
What should I say?
You can say, sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Or, can you say that again, please?
Can you say that again, please?
Great. You can also ask, could you spell that, please, if you don't understand a name?
Oh yes, like when someone says, my name is Claire, and I'm not sure how to spell it.
Exactly. You can say, could you spell that, please?
C-L-A-I-R-E. Got it.
Let's practice together, listeners.
Say, sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Now say, could you spell that, please? Great job. Now let's finish the call politely.
Okay, how do we end it nicely?
You can say, thank you for your call.
Thank you for your call.
Or, it was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
And then, have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Perfect.
What about bye-bye?
Of course. You can say bye, bye-bye, or talk to you soon.
I like talk to you soon. It sounds friendly.
Yes, it's very natural. Listeners, let's end a phone call together.
Say, it was nice talking to you.
Have a nice day.
Talk to you soon.
Great work. Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, so many useful phrases.
We learned how to start a phone call, ask who's calling, ask to speak to someone, leave a message, ask for repetition, end the call politely.
Wow, that's a lot, but easy to remember.
Exactly. These short phrases are the key to sounding natural in English. Let's do one last full conversation.
Okay, I'll try to sound like a pro.
Let's go.
Hello, may I speak to Jenna, please?
This is Jenna. Who's calling, please?
Hi, it's Steve.
Oh, hi, Steve. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I just wanted to ask about tomorrow's class.
Sure. It starts at 10 a.m.
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
It starts at 10 in the morning.
Oh, got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Talk to you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See, listeners? Easy and natural. Now it's your turn, listeners.
Imagine you're calling your teacher or a friend.
Practice saying hello, asking for someone, leaving a message, and ending the call.
You can pause this podcast and practice out loud.
Yes, the more you speak, the faster you improve.
You know, Jenna, I used to be afraid to talk on the phone in English.
Really?
Yes, but after practicing, I feel better now.
That's great. Everyone listening, remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to try.
Right, one call at a time.
Exactly. Every small practice helps you grow. All right, friends, that's all for today's episode. Easy English for phone conversations.
We hope this helps you sound more confident on your next phone call.
And don't forget, practice speaking every day, even for just a few minutes.
Yes, small steps make big progress.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video.
Subscribe to English with Jenna for more fun lessons.
And comment below. Tell us who you want to call in English next time.
Maybe your boss or your best friend.
Yes, practice both. Thank you for listening, and remember, you can speak English easily, naturally, and confidently.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.